Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhouthics. So today's question is, upper half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation if the object is placed at 2f. Mention position, nature of the image and state the observable difference in the image. Give reason to justify. See, understand the question first. The question is not a single question. There are 4 questions involved in it. So they are saying that upper half of convex lens is covered with a black paper. Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation. This is the first question. Okay, if the object is placed at 2f. Mention position and nature of the image. This is the second question. Third question is state the observable difference in the image. Fourth question is to give a reason to justify. So these many questions are there. As they asked the question, in the same way we need to answer. And this question was also asked in 2024 question paper set number 31/2/1. So let us answer the question. First question is, draw a ray diagram to show the image formation when half of the lens is covered with black paper. So first we should draw the ray diagram. So half of the lens is covered and we have taken object at 2f1. One light ray passing through optical center, so it passes without any deviation. One more light ray passing through focus, so it passes parallel to principal axis. So they both met at a point which is exactly below 2f2. So what can we say? After drawing ray diagram, we can say that image will be formed at 2f2. Nature of the image will be real, inverted and equal size of the object. So our first question got answered, and the second question, mention position, nature of the image. Second question also got answered. Third question is, state the observable difference in the image. What can we observe in the image is, if the half of the lens is covered with the black paper, this portion of the lens will not participate in the refraction. So what happens? Only this part participates in the refraction. Number of light rays participating in the refraction will be reduced to 50%. So intensity of the image will be reduced to 50%. Okay. So that is what the justification. Justification means what? How do we support it? See, as the half of the lens is covered, right, number of light rays involved in the formation of image will be reduced to 50%. So the image intensity will be reduced to 50%. Right? This is how we need to split the question and answer the question in the way they asked. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.